Good afternoon. This afternoon here at the tiny bar, we have possibly one of the stronger cold fronts of the winter coming through. 20 to 30 mile an hour winds with gusts up to 50 for our wind advisory here. But it's looking, and on our neighbor's weather station, we've had gusts up to about 25 almost. The silver oak trees really dancing. Pictures out at sea there. And we got hurricane strapping on our lanai roof, here in the tiny. So we're all set to weather the storm. Should get some rain and or thunderstorm action by about sunset, another 5 or 6 hours perhaps. So we'll do a little work and enjoy the weather. Pretty interesting. The last window casing. Woo.
Looks good.
Halfway.
So as we finally close the soffit, we have our measurements with a light hole in it, and we made a special template because there you go. Our siding, we sandwiched it right up against the stud because we didn't know. So we're gonna try to make wavy wood and see if it fits in there. Give it a try.
Close.
These are the final cut pieces, painstakingly made to fit the wavy edge of our soffit. The soffit is now closed. Woohoo! It has an opening at this top side and at the bottom side, screened openings, because we want our roof to breathe. It's meant to breathe, so that lets air in and out. One more light to install, the very last fixture to install in the house. Dakin's studying up. So we have our backsplash set in this morning. We sealed some red cedar to go behind the stove area. And then we also just set our sink in its stand this morning with its backsplash, and we'll set the countertop on it once that sealant dries up, which should be pretty quickly today. It's very windy outside.
Beautiful.
sanding and finishing the sides of our kitchen sink, so we don't have water go down along the walls and under the kitchen sink on the floor and cause major problems. Just to give it a nice look.
Here are the rough pieces of wood for either side of the sink. It's at a nice rounded corner to try to tie it in with the rest of what's going on. And we just need to drill out a hole for our faucet and get them installed in there.
Beautiful.
Here we go. Okay. Just take the weights off this counter. Have a look at it. Oh. Seems solid. Take these weights off. Have a look. Oh yeah, that is nice.
Ooh.
Coming together.
Kitchen is coming to life.